Hey guys, back at you today with another video. Today I want to talk about Coinbase and Cardano, ADA, the cryptocurrency. I know you haven't had any coverage from me yet on blockchain or cryptocurrencies or anything in that space. I'm going to save my backstory and how I got involved with blockchain and how long I've been investing for another video, but I've been following cryptocurrencies for over 10 years now. I bought my first Bitcoin and sold my first Bitcoin over 10 years ago for like $60 and $120. I've been following Ethereum since pretty much as soon as you could. So one of the cryptocurrencies I am interested in right now, which also deserves its own video explaining why, is ADA or Cardano. It's one of the top 10 coins by market cap right now. It has a lot of functionality that Ethereum has, and it's not currently suffering from the same sort of problems with high gas fees and transaction fees in general, and slower transaction confirmation times. Yeah, let's get into this blog post now. So really, to dig into the announcement I wanted to share with you guys here today, basically, Coinbase has announced that starting today, Tuesday, March 16th, you'll be able to transfer Cardano in and out of Coinbase Pro. Coinbase Pro used to be called GDAX for those who are not familiar. It's basically Coinbase's more sophisticated trading view. It has all the same assets usually, but now they've added one that is not yet on Coinbase. And the reason they do that is essentially for liquidity. Coinbase Pro allows higher volumes of trading that sort of determines the market price on Coinbase, and then that in turn allows them to fulfill orders of less complicated nature, which are basically just market orders through Coinbase by sort of playing off that liquidity. And that's kind of Coinbase's like business model or whatever. Another time we can review the pros and cons of Coinbase versus Coinbase Pro and maybe compare it to some other exchanges. I've been meaning to make a video about that, but this news, unexpectedly got announced, and I just had to share it with you guys. So basically after Thursday, if liquidity conditions are met, again, I was referencing liquidity, if basically enough people are trying to trade Cardano starting on Thursday, that's when they're going to kick off trading. They then go on to talk about how they only add coins when they meet their standard, which Cardano probably has for some time now, but they just got around to really looking at it as a legitimized and underwent its most recent software upgrades and hard forks. They talk about a bunch of other currencies they've added in the last few months, and also that they've expanded their offerings in Europe. So as of you guys watching this video, if you have a Coinbase Pro account, you can transfer Cardano in and out of Coinbase Pro, and starting Thursday you'll be able to trade it, assuming that enough people are trying to trade and liquidity is met. To start, the only cryptocurrency you'll be able to trade Cardano with is Bitcoin. Other than that, it's going to be relegated to the fiat currencies such as USD and Euro. They're going to roll out the trading in 3 phases. So at first, you'll only be able to post orders, which means that they can't actually execute and get fulfilled and exchange hands, basically. So you can say what you would sell something at or buy something at, but not actually do it. Then after that, you'll only be able to declare a purchase if you set a threshold that can only execute if the price is below or equal to. And after that, when full trading is expanded, you'll be able to do classic market orders and other trade types. And so that's basically when they'll probably start offering it on Coinbase once market orders are available. Let's see if there's anything else here. They basically are reserving the right to not roll out the feature and not keep expanding it like they plan if there's ever a reason not to. And then they explain a little bit about Cardano's background. It uses proof of stake, which is the thing that Ethereum 2.0 is leveraging as well. It's kind of seen as the way to make blockchain a lot more scalable than proof of work. I'll make a video explaining the difference more in depth sometime, hopefully. It talks about the programming language and the benefits that it brings in the development of Cardano. The programming language is called Haskell. Although I am a software developer, I have not used Haskell. I've heard of it, but I haven't really experimented with it too much. They reiterate that, like I said, Coinbase.com or the other apps besides Coinbase Pro will not have access to Cardano at this time. And then there's another note that if you have a Shelly address, you can use it with Coinbase right now, but Byron type wallets do not work with Coinbase at this time, or Coinbase Pro is what I mean by Coinbase, of course. But yeah, so anyway, essentially Coinbase Pro is the first step in adoption for ADA or Cardano to be listed on Coinbase. So yeah, that's the news I wanted to share with you guys today. It's super exciting for Coinbase Pro users. It has great implications for Coinbase users. It has good implications for Coinbase's current investors and people considering investing in Coinbase after they go public later this year. It obviously has a lot of potential positive catalysts for Cardano and ADA enthusiasts and investors, as well as people developing projects for the technology to run on the blockchain and use the token and enabled by their smart contracts and other features. Yeah guys, I'm super excited. As you can tell, I had to make this video right away to talk about it and share the news. I'd love to know what you think as a ADA investor or as a Coinbase user, or just what you think in general. As always, if you enjoyed the content or found it informative or helpful, please like the video. If you want to see more content from me in the future, please subscribe. If you have anything at all you want to say, I would love to hear from you in the comments. And other than that, have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.